Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 9 SE versus iQOO 7 device. And this is a very intense kind of extreme testing which I'll try to do for about 30 minutes of time using 100 threads side-by-side comparison. Yes friends, this is the exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to demonstrate the CPU throttling test. So let's see which one has got what type of throttling effect while comparing side-by-side. So these are the few things which I'll try to concentrate. So for example, the temperatures and how much battery is going to decrease as well, because right now both phones are exactly charged to exact 100%. As you can see, 100% both phones are charged right now. And let's clear everything from the background RAM management, and let's open the CPU throttling test application right now. Let's go to the settings option, and right now as you can see 100 threads, and I'll try to select for about 30 minutes of time. As you exactly see friends, 30 minutes 100 threads, so which is exactly same as well. And let's see how will be the overall graph during this process of demonstration. And the brightness I'll try to keep exactly 50% brightness, which you can definitely see here, the brightness levels how they are. So let me to slightly measure the brightness readings using the brightness test meter. So it should be somewhere around here. Yes, I got it. Yep. Right now I'll try to test what is the brightness. I just want to keep it very equal brightness levels. Kind of very close, not bad. I think it's kind of slightly more again. Yeah. I think it should be kind of very similar. As you can see friends, same kind of brightness levels right now. I did try to keep not 100%, but just 50% kind of brightness. I did try to keep exactly same level of brightness nits. So let's start the test at this same time, and let's see how much difference will be there. And this is a floating FPS meter which I'm trying to use. I mean, not FPS meter, sorry, floating temperature meter. So by using this temperature, you can actually see exactly what's going on. This is the temperature regarding the battery. So this is a Snapdragon 888 processor, and is a Snapdragon 870 processor. Right now we're going to find out exactly what's going to happen with the throttling effect. And this complete test is done without using any kind of monster mode. And the temperature is 31.4 and 32 degrees Celsius. Regarding the temperatures between these both phones. Right now try to observe friends exactly what's going to happen between the throttling of this both phones. Try to point out exactly at the temperature readings as well. What's happening with the temperature readings, how they are actually increasing. Again, I'll be back exactly after 5 minutes of time. CPU throttling test is going on between these both phones exactly at this moment, side by side comparison. And right now you'll be able to see the graph. So this is how the graph looks like, and right side is of Snapdragon 888 processor, and you can clearly see the throttling has started to happen after 4 minutes of time only. You can clearly see in the iQOO 9 SE device. In the iQOO 7 it was able to maintain pretty good, not bad regarding the performance and everything. The score looks pretty good as well in the iQOO 7 device overall. So this is for the first 7 and 8 minutes of time only. And still the test is going to continue till 30 minutes of time. So we'll try to find out friends exactly what will be the final score comparison between these both phones. 10 minutes of time. Right now as you can see friends, time is about 11 minutes of time, and let's check out the temperatures, what's happening here. Temperatures did reach up to 39.8 degrees Celsius in the iQOO 7 device and 39.6 degrees in the iQOO 9 SE device as well. So both phones are maintaining exactly similar kind of temperatures, and my room temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. As you can see friends, similar kind of temperatures right now can be observed. I will be back once the test has been successfully completed around 15 minutes of time. And finally friends, after getting close to 30 minutes of time, this is how the graph exactly looks right now. As you can clearly see friends right now. So let me to slightly zoom in. So you can clearly see the graph in the iQOO 7 was able to maintain pretty consistent regarding the throttling. But in the iQOO 9 SE, you can see the CPU throttle up to 80%. And in the iQOO 7 device, CPU throttle up to 89%, and the final temperatures are 40 degrees and 41 degrees and 40.6 degrees as well. So both phones are having the similar kind of high temperatures exactly after 30 minutes of throttling. But even though there's high temperatures, the performance in the iQOO 7 device did not decrease. Try to look at the scores, like overall scores. The highest is slightly higher in the Snapdragon 888 processor, but average is pretty high, and minimum also higher than the iQOO 9 SE device. This is the iQOO 9 SE, as you can clearly see friends. So this is a quick comparison test between these both phones, running the test for about 30 minutes of time, CPU throttling test results. So these are the exact results we got here. side-by-side comparison, as you can clearly see, friends. And in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the playlist for more both smartphones. The playlist will give the clear idea what's going on between these two smartphones. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, for more updates, and bye.